First Nation, welcome to the party. Let's talk about the next game that is coming. Cedric Kaizer and Khalil Ben Youssef. I think they owe us happiness as fans, but we will love to see them winning, especially the game of Stellenbosch. We love to see them dominating that game and then win it, because we have a big game coming on the 28th. So I would love to see these youngsters mixed with the Glisti seniors. The Abafana Nabo Mabui has been playing for a very long time. Even Shabalala, he's starting to be a senior player now because he has been playing for a very long time, especially for Kaizer Chiefs. And Solomons, I would love to see them as the right back, Quinika right center back, McCarthy left center back if he will be back, because I don't know, his suspension maybe is ending on after one match. And then I would love to see Ushinga, while we see Miguel is still on injured. Marco, I would love to see him sitting on the bench waiting to see which Shinga is he coping up with the other players. And then Peterson is our goalkeeper. We can't change Peterson. Mabui, I would love to see taking that center midfielder and playing as a 6 as well. Mabasa, I would love to see him playing as the 8. And then Vilagazi, center attacking midfielder. I would love to see him there. And then Shabalala as the right winger. I would love to see Velepai taking his place with Batman, because these two, they are coming from the same team. They have been playing there, and we saw the way they were dominating the other teams when they are playing together. You can see the spark, the way they were playing. So we would love to see them playing together. And the other thing, these two coaches and the management of Kaizer Chiefs, they have been asking Kaizer Chiefs fans to come to the stadium to fill up the stadium. But they have to listen to the supporters. If they don't like special things that they do, they must stop this thing of saying, I'm the one who is leading the team, so I cannot listen to the fans. You have to listen to the fans if you want them to come to support you. Why do you ask them to come to support you, but you don't want to listen to them? They have to listen to us as fans. If we are saying, no, whatever you are doing now is not working, it's declining, at least try something else as coaches.